park right now.
Yeah. Is it called the Blow Wildebeest?
That fucker looks mean.
We'll see hundreds of those tomorrow.
Dude, we are in a safari. This is what we came for, Denim.
This is what we came for. Look at that thing.
Where they at? Where are they at? Yo, it's just like finding spots, dude. You gotta be hunting out here. Looking for the fucking lions and the fucking wildebeest. Safari shit, motherfucker. Got some weird fucking animal over here. I can't really tell what it is. It's hiding in the brush. We've got a wild white man chewing a sucker. Crikey! Crikey!
Crikey, it's a white guy!
He's coming after us. He's coming after. Oh god, we got some weird woman. She's got odd glasses and a weird dress. Who knows what she's gonna do next? We're gonna take the safari park.
Here we go, the open gate.
Oh Jesus Christ!
Yep, now we're in the phone.
Oh god, everyone's fucking.
Your window's closed and your door's locked at all times.
Or you're gonna get fucked. Oh, over here we've got. We've got an elusive pack of lions.
Our left hand side.
That fucker's ginormous.
African cats. We have got the dominant one, a dominant one. That one over there with the black mans around the neck. His name is Jamu. Jamu is 18 years old.
18.
He has got two brown lionesses with him together, eating and sleeping. Nothing much to do except to sleep for the whole day.
Sleeping's tight.
All they can do the best is
Look
to
how
sleep,
big that fucker is.
eat to 50 times a day.
Everyone's mating.
10 to
Wonder
50
why
times a
they're
day.
always sleeping.
All they do is eat, sleep, and fuck. 50 times a day.
And another
Incredible.
thing, they
It's my type of dude.
are on 15 to 20 kilograms 3 times a week, which is on Monday, Wednesday,
Fucking brilliant
Friday.
looking.
And we don't
Look
feed
at the
them
size
by
of that
light, we
cunt.
feed them by home.
Oh, he's back to sleeping.
And we
I
feed
think the
them
fucker just died. He might have just died.
They don't really need love.
Someone get him a female to fuck. He's gonna die. He's gonna fucking die.
Up, I brought nice kids for you.
Oh, come eat these kids. Yo, we'll feed you a Paco.
Ben.
The life of someone who just eats, sleeps, and fucks, man. Everyone's fucking.
Wake up.
Everyone's fucking. Even. Look at the size of that motherfucker. Oi, crikey. That's a goddamn beast lion. Oh, that one's doing. He's doing a misty roll. That one's doing the misty roll.
Are you okay?
Yeah.
If you still want to take more pictures,
Oh, fucking crikey.
Wait, are those white lines?
Oh, look at
These are
this.
the mix between the whites and the blacks.
So are those white lines?
There's a
All they do is eat, sleep, and fuck. Looks like they're having a little gangbang right
I see so many people.
the hybrid of the white and the brown lines together. We've got one dominant one,
Look at the size of the nuts on that one.
black mane.
Holy shit.
His name is George.
George.
And all together they are the coalition pride. Coalition pride is formed by relatives, especially in the wild, when they want to go for a bigger prey like an elephant and the giraffe. That's where you'll find more than 8 males. Those are relatives. It means when they catch that prey, they'll have to share it, share the space, and also share mating. They won't fight. They will stay together permanently.
So lazy.
One female looks like it has. Look.
Antoine.
That's not George.
I've never been so happy to have a cage around me. Got your mic. Your mic's in your bag, bruh.
This is
Antoine, you're missing the best one.
Yeah, you mark that territory.
He just pissed all over himself.
Taking lots of photos.
Hey, what's up, bro?
Those are big toes.
Crikey, we've got a wild French photographer inside the buggy. He looks dangerous. Minimal English.
Hybrid of the white and the brown lines together. This white one you see here, he is our film star. He has been used in a film called A White Lion, and is also used in the documentary called Lights Camera Lions, and they did it very well. And we did not pay him, we spent him in a nice house.
Oh, he's taking a poop! I am. Shit! I am.
I am.
You get it,
Dude,
wild
that
dog.
looks like a hyena, but it's a wild dog.
You get it, wild dog. Nice work.
Yo, he's putting on a show for us.
Nice work.
On our
Oh, look at the size of that man's nuts.
Crikey, look at his ears, man.
The African wild dogs. They normally hunt in packs. You find them in a group of 10 to 30, and they've got the stamina. They can chase the prey for about 10 to 45.
So they eat things alive. Crikey. It seemed pretty chill.
They eat people and they eat each other. Is that what you said?
Like the thing is like they hunt in packs, right? So like what they do is like they use a force. They're always in a clan. Never catch them alone because that's the only way they can control in the bush. Like if lions come and try to take their food away, they need to be
So
in a
this
big
is
pack.
our last stop.
And they
Did you
can
all
literally-
enjoy?
Yeah.
Okay, thanks for your time. and
Thank
your
you.
cooperation.
ones heard you.
And
Now
like,
we are
lions
driving
will
back.
hunt for like 20 minutes
starting
max,
point.
and then they gas out.
Have a
These guys will
beautiful
hunt all
day.
day.
All day. Yo!
These hunters, dude, they follow the lions in the bush, and when the lions kill something, they go in and steal the food from the lions. That's how
Oh my god.
Just touch him. Touch him, boy.
Hey, my friend, you must come from this side, otherwise it's gonna jump at you.
Okay, come from behind. Come from behind.
What's up, little dude? Isn't this nice, Paco?
Yeah, but don't touch his tail
You don't want to touch his tail.
and his head.
Hey. Oh. Oh. He's just a chiller, dude.
Wake up, sir. Look at the camera.
Reed, look at the camera.
Yo, that's the homie right there.
Can you come, guys?
Yo. Hey. Yo.
I can't.
Big money cat. Oh.
Look at the camera.
He's
Don't move quick. Don't move quick. Don't move quick at all, Paco. He wants to play. Because if you move quick, he's gonna chase you. Don't ever move. Don't run.
Okay.
You just stand still.
What's up, buddy? Young Simba.
By the time Johnny was shooting a movie, this lion.
Oh, the sun's in my face there.
my god. His paw's like as big as my hand. Pet this one, Paco.
What's your
Yo, Antoine. Antoine. Wielding lions. Wielding Paco. Hey, little dudes. Yeah, I'm the lion tamer now. Aw. Are they dope? Yeah.
Which one is older? The one day.
Little boy. Little boy. Little boy. Little boy.
Look at this dude. Hey.
Ow, you bit me.
It's crazy being this close to something that could just eat your face. Yeah.
Ow, you bit me.
You guys okay?
Oh, ooh, don't eat me. Whoa.
Hey guys, thank you so much.
Dog. Sweet. Thank you.
Now I know that.
That's a good old lion. Very nice one. Oh, there we go. Oh, later, homie. Oh, he just plays with you, man.
Okay guys, here's the baby lion.
Yeah.
We're gonna test them the whole body, except their head and the tail only.
Full-grown cheetah. 70 rand to go pet it.
For the cups, 210.
Okay. We're gonna go pet this cheetah, Antoine. Antoine, don't be scared.
I'm not scared. I'm scared.
You're in Africa, man. If I die today, I'm okay with it.
Okay, here's your tickets, guys. Paco can't get in, so I'm gonna stay with him, okay?
Okay.
Yeah. That's for Denim.
Denim. Thank you. Cheetah interaction.
What, you got it?
Yeah.
Okay. Alright.
They say you're too small, okay? So I'm gonna wait here with you, okay?
You stay?
Yeah.
You can watch us from over there.
Yeah, we'll watch from over here.
Oh, man. Should probably put my stuff over here.
That's here everywhere, but not the feet.
Don't touch the
The
feet.
feet, the paws sensitive. The body is fine, head is fine, tail you can hold, no problem.
And it's full size.
It's a full size, it's a full grown. So don't worry about that, guys. I'm gonna give you enough.
Amazing.
So you can get some enough.
Amazing. Oh my god, dude. As if we get to do this, this costs $5. $5. What's up, Bo? Dude, this thing's a beast. Into a nice cheetah.
Wow, that's beautiful. Yeah, be careful of the head. Don't go closer.
The other day we were working on this one. That's when we get a nice picture, guys.
Which one? Like, I want.
You know what I'm saying? This is just the life. Fuck. Just chilling, vlogging with a cheetah. Such a nice cheetah. Best $5 I've ever spent.
Literally. Couldn't spend it any better.
And we are here.
Dude. Crazy. Thank you, my man.
Yeah. Muscles on that thing.
Hey, catch you later, bruh. I know you want to come hang out with us, but you know. Yeah.
Here's like the feet of a.
Yo, this is the fucking thing here, man. This is the thing.
Dude, look at it.
Bill Tom. Look at all that hanging meat. It's beautiful. How do you make it?
How do you make it?
Yeah.
You take meat, must be beef,
Yeah.
put the spices on there. You marinate like you marinate them, and then you
Just dry it.
you put it in the
look at
cupboard,
all
and then it.
Put it in the cupboard and then it wet. Wet, Bill Tom.
That's good.
Do you mind if I try a plain piece? Just a little sample? We've been buying the packets of them, but we haven't gotten to like the plug, you know? You're the plug.
Which one would you like?
I'll try this one.
Yeah, me too.
Thank you. So it's raw meat, yeah?
No, you don't have eat it. It's not. It is raw, but you don't. People like some raw, some very dry.
Can I try a piece?
I like the raw.
Do you like the taste?
Oh, no, thank you. I don't need.
The raw is way better.
I like it with all the pepper stuff on it.
How much is that for a kilogram?
280.
No.
Dry worse? I don't know what that means.
Raw horse is the round stuff.
Dry, medium, and then you got the wet. You buy a whole log?
And then you cut it up, yeah.
That's about 280 and 40.
For how many kilograms?
One piece, like 200 rand piece.
That's about 0.78 kilo.
That's almost a kilo.
A kilo of beef.
Smaller.
Yeah, 200 rand would be more than enough.
How much?
200 rand.